Let's give her an applause to Ivy Menace.
Good afternoon, everyone. This is my oratory speech. The is, today's young people suffer from procrastination part of the which may have detrimental effect. Self-sabotage when people procrastinate, delaying crucial tasks until the very last minute and failing to reach their aspirations. From failing to prepare for an exam to not submitting tasks on time, it can show up in a variety of ways. A lack of self-discipline is demonstrated by procrastination, which can seriously harm one's future. Procrastination can foster creativity, according to some, but this is not justification for not finishing assignments. Procrastination actually has negative impact on creativity because it can cause worry, guilt, and anxiety. Long-term effects of procrastination can be severe and include lost career opportunities, financial difficulties, and poor academic performance. The inability to efficiently, it can also result the loss of significant relationship and experience. It can also result low self-esteem and guilt feelings. For instance, a student may not unable to pass an exam if they put off studying for it. They might then be unable to advance to the following grades, or perhaps not even graduate as a result of this. Procrastination can be a severe issue that can have long-term, far-reaching to some act. In order to avoid procrastination, it's critical to identify its symptoms and create appropriate action.
Okay.